Hi guys, welcome to the video. In this video, we will learn how do we set a print area. Alright, so if there is a data that you have and you want to print a selected area out of it, how do you set that selected area? Okay, so you have some data points in front of you. I hope you remember the data very well. We have worked on this data during the start of the course. Okay, so this is the data. What I want to do is from A1 till foods and till 20th row. So I just need to print first 20 entries and their details of for plastics and food. So what I will do is I will select the area that I need to print. I will go to page layout. In this print area, I will click on set print area. Okay, so as soon as I click on set print area, this area is set. Okay, so let's see how does it look in the print preview. I press Ctrl P. So as soon as you press Ctrl P in the print preview, you will notice something that the other two rows, plastics and foods, are not coming. They will be there in the next one. How can I bring it in the same page? Press escape. Come back to the data. At the below of the screen, you will see three icons. So first is the normal view, second is the page layout view, third is the page break view. Let's click on page break view. So as soon as you click on page break view, you will notice something that this is the page 1, but page 1 is getting over at the end of this E column. It does not include the other two columns, plastic and food, which goes to the page 2. So how can we bring it together in this page 1 only? Just drag the page 1 boundary to include these two as well. So now the page 1 includes plastics as well as foods. Now I click on Ctrl P or go to files and then click on print. Now you will notice everything comes under one page only. But of course, it is not very well readable. So what you can do is in the orientation here, in the page layout view, of course, in the orientation, you can click on landscape. So as soon as you click on landscape view, now press Ctrl P. Now it becomes readable. Why? Because now it is in a landscape view. There is more area for the data and hence it becomes big in size. So that is how you set print area to print only the selected items from the data set. Try it on guys, nothing technical here, just some Excel practice. I'll see you around.